Something always brings me back to you. It never takes too long. No matter what I say do, still feel you here to the moment I'm gone. You hold me with a touch, keep me in chains. Never wanted anything so much. Never drown in your love, and I feel your pain. Set me free, you be. I don't wanna fall another moment into your gravity. Here I am, and I stand so close, just the way I'm supposed to be. You're onto me, onto me. Oh, you love me 'cause I'm fragile. And I thought that I was strong, but you touched me for a little while. You know my fragile strength is gone. Set me free, he will be. I don't wanna fall another moment into your gravity. Here I am, and I stand so far, just the way I'm supposed to be. But you're all to me, and all over me. I lay here on my knees as I try to make you see that you're everything I think I need here on the ground. But you're not a friend I foe, though I can't seem to let you go. One thing that I still know is that you're keeping me down. Keeping me down, yeah. You're onto me now, over. Something always brings me back to you.